Exploring where and which in non-defining relative clauses. Hello, language enthusiasts! We are back with another fascinating topic in English grammar. Today, we are going to delve into non-defining relative clauses, with a special focus on using where for places and combining where with which. This might seem complex, but don't worry. We'll break it down into bite-sized pieces, making it easy to understand and apply in your everyday English conversation. First, let's recall what non-defining relative clauses are. They are clauses that provide extra information about something. We usually separate them from the rest of the sentence using commas. And remember, if we remove them, the sentence still makes perfect sense. For example, my brother, who is an engineer, is moving to Germany. The phrase, who is an engineer, is a non-defining relative clause. It gives us extra information about my brother but is not essential to the sentence. Now, let's move on to using where in non-defining relative clauses. Where is usually used to introduce a non-defining relative clause related to a place or location. For instance, Paris, where I spent my childhood, is known for its beautiful architecture. Here, where I spent my childhood provides extra, non-essential information about Paris. Now comes the exciting part: combining where and which. This might sound a bit tricky, but it's all about understanding how we refer to places. When we talk about a whole place like a city or a country, we can use where. But when we talk about a specific part or aspect of a place, we might need to use which. Let's look at an example. The park, where I often go for a walk, which is near the river, is a peaceful place. In this sentence, where I often go for a walk refers to the whole park, so we use where. On the other hand, which is near the river refers to a specific aspect of the park, so we use which. Both clauses are non-defining relative clauses providing additional information about the park. Well, that's it for today's lesson on non-defining relative clauses and using where and which. We hope this video has been helpful and has made this aspect of English grammar a little less daunting for you. Keep practicing these clauses in your daily conversations, and you'll see how they enrich your language skills. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more exciting English grammar lessons. Happy learning!